Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gomez Aviation, and today I have for you the opening or unboxing of my Christmas presents. So my family gave me 4 models, and I'm gonna unbox them here with you today. So I hope everybody had a very good Christmas and a happy New Year's. So I'm recording this a little bit late because I was out of town for a trip that I had. So I'm back home and I'm getting ready to upload this up. So the very first one is the Airbus A321 Neo by Helvetic Airways. So you know what's going on there. You know where this airline is from. So we're not going to go too much into it, obviously, for reasons. But yeah. Like I said, these models come from my family. So thank them. Thanks to my mom and thanks to my brother. So we're gonna this is my very first Airflat model. I've never had one before, and I wasn't planning on it, but here it is. It's actually pretty nice. I like the gray color. Looks very nice. I think the colors go good with this one. And then we have their flag right here, obviously. So we have, I like it actually. Let me see, I'm trying to see. I can't see what this says right here, but anyway. So we have the nice blue color with the orange right here. The registration in the back, our antennas. I actually like the colors. I think it goes nice with it. So I'm just going to unbox them really quick. I'm not going to go in detail with them. We don't want this video to be too long, so. Alright, the other unboxing that I got, the other model that I got, sorry, is this. Hold on, let me adjust. Alright, the other model I got is this Helvetic Airways. I've never seen this one. I don't know where it's from. But this is a 1200 model. Fokker 100 by Herpa. So it's my first Herpa model, I believe so. Oh no, actually I have a 1500 one that my brother also gave me for my birthday, I think. So we have Herpa miniature model right here. We have the picture of the model, the airplane itself, the Herpa logo right here. In the back we have this nice, come on, sorry guys. All right, there you go. So we have right here limited edition. I don't know how limited that means or how true to that is. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, something fell. Let me see what it is. Okay, it's a stand. That's pretty cool. Oh, what? All right, I was not expecting that. All right, I didn't know about this, but I don't know if you guys can see, but here, the model looks red to me. Yeah, it definitely looks red. Even in the back. But the model, when I opened it, it's pink. Come on. Sorry, guys. Would you look at this? Really? Oh my God. Sorry, guys. It's just I'm struggling with this. The model is pink. I don't know if you guys can tell or see the difference, but in the box it looks red. And when I took the model, it's pink. That's crazy. All right, let's open this up. I've never heard of this airline, so I'm not gonna act like I know what I'm talking about here because I don't, but I like it. Obviously I know what a Fokker is, but I've never heard of this airline. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's pretty heavy, actually. Wow, okay. So we have right here the big titles in white, Helvetic.com. I don't know if I'm saying that right, so if I'm not, I'm sorry. I like the engines. If I always like the engines on the back instead of the wings. That's why I always love the MD-80s. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like I said, the model's pink, and on the box, the plane looks red. So, oh wow, so kind of cool. Wow, we're already at 5 minutes. Oh my god, see, that's why I don't want to go into depth with them, because it takes a long time. But anyway, here it comes with the stand. So I probably won't put it on here. I will just display it like that. That's what I usually do. I only have like 2 or 3 models on stands. All right, the next model that I got is this Haack Lloyd Express from GeminiJets. So this in their all gray box. You can pause and read this if you want. So from when is this model from? 2003. Wow. 20 years ago. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and open this. I'm gonna put this to the side so it's not in our way. Here's the model. And I forgot to mention, this is a 737. By the looks of it, I think it's a 700. All right, let me put the... So here's the model. So we have Haack Lloyd Express. Nice yellow colors. The engines look like they're upwards. Or at least the left one does. Obviously, the GeminiJets title on the bottom can't be missing. Registration is DAGEP. And then we have the, I believe, German flag. In the tail, we have HLX.com, which I have no idea what that means, guys. So if you know, let me know. But nice little model, nice little model. It's brighter than the Spirit Airlines colors, so. All right, so we have one more model left. It's also a Herpa model. All right, hold on, I'll fix this. So here it is. I'm excited about this one. I like the livery. So we have right here Herpa miniature models, the Herpa logo. And then we have up here, I don't know if you guys can see, Euro wings. Oh my God, I've been struggling with this. Won't stay still. All right, so it is a 1/200 model. Would you look at that? Nice little mouse. And then this is the back. So it is an Airbus A320, I think it is. Yeah, it's an Airbus A320. So very nice. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Do you know how to distinguish an Airbus A320 from a A319? Just saying, in case you don't know. If you know, you know. Oh, would you look at that? That's a nice box. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, it comes with the stand too. Well, I guess that makes sense. The other one also came with the stand. Ooh. I think this one's plastic. The other one was so heavy and this one's super light. no weight at all. I think, yeah, this is plastic. Yeah, that's definitely plastic. Still a beautiful model though. I like it. So we have ear wings right here. Europa Park. I like this, the yellow stars. And then we have the two little mouse that I have no idea what they're from. Maybe a movie or something. So here's the bottom with the nice earwings titles. The L1 door. It has some nice detail to it, actually, guys. It does. Very nice, very nice. I like it, actually. It's going to look nice with my other 1-200 models. But, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. See? I didn't go into depth reviewing them, and it's been 11 minutes so far, see? So that's why I like to open my stuff, show them out, and do a quick little show of what I got because it takes quite some time. So, and I don't want to bore you guys. So that's it. That's all I got. Just 4 models. I'm very happy. I'm thankful for models that my mom and my brother got me. So thank them very much. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, guys, Happy New Year to everyone. May this new year bring all of you guys lots of models and lots of travel throughout the year. So thanks, guys. Have a good one.